From Nassim Nicholas Taleb, a black swan is an event with the following three attributes. First, it's an outlier as it lies outside the realm of regular expectations because nothing in the past can convincingly point to its possibility. Second, it carries an extreme impact. And third, in spite of its outlier status, human nature makes us concoct explanations for its occurrence after the fact, making it explainable and predictable in hindsight. So let's go over these three conditions. But before we do, a black swan can be both positive and negative. We typically think of black swans as negative events. That's what the association is. But remember, there are positive events, and as a personal strategy, you want to collect exposure to positive black swans. Also, the highly expected not happening can also be a black swan. So let's go over the three prongs of a black swan event. First, it has to be an outlier outside of expectations. Outside of expectations. That's the big part, and that's how most people misuse this term because they don't understand this first part or they ignore the first part. It has to be outside of your expectations. If something is being discussed, if something is known, then it's not going to be outside of expectations. So it has to be an outlier, but the outlier has to be outside of what is expected. It's an extreme impact. Everybody gets this second prong right. Everybody ties this extreme impact to a negative event. So that's down. And then this third prong, a lot of people also gloss over it. It's seemingly predictable after the fact. So afterwards, there are explanations to explain it away, but it was not predictable. So this is what a black swan is, and it has these three conditions to be met.